Found an SLT file in your AutoCAD project and not sure what it does? This is a presentation slide file used within AutoCAD environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these AutoCAD slide files work and how to view them. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the SLT format and dozens of others obsolete. SLT files are slide files created by AutoCAD, containing vector snapshot images of drawing views captured using the MSLIDE command. They store a simplified vector rendering of the AutoCAD viewport at the time of capture, and are used in slideshows, presentation scripts, and image tile menus within the AutoCAD environment. AutoCAD SLT slide files use a binary format storing vector drawing primitives, including lines, arcs, circles, and filled areas, captured from the current viewport display. They do not contain full drawing geometry, but rather a flattened vector, rendering optimized for quick display in slideshows and dialog image tiles. The SLT extension has a direct link to the Autodesk AutoCAD application by Autodesk, Inc. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows can't decode all design elements, so in-depth review belongs in a CAD or modeling suite. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your SLT file and choose Open With. Test with Autodesk AutoCAD first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. When your SLT file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since this SLT format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, viewing in AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD and use the viaSLIDE command followed by the slide file name to display the SLT file in the current viewport. The slide renders as a static vector image. Use redraw to clear the slide display and return to the normal drawing view. Slides display at the resolution of the viewport they were created from. Next, creating slideshows. Combine multiple SLT files into a slideshow using a SCR script file containing sequential viaSLIDE commands with delay timing between slides. Run the script in AutoCAD using the script command for automated presentation of design views. This method was commonly used for client presentations before modern rendering tools. Finally, converting to image format. Since SLT files are AutoCAD specific, capture the displayed slide as an image by using viaSLIDE to display it, then exporting the viewport to PNG or BMP using AutoCAD's export functions. Alternatively, take a screenshot while the slide is displayed for use in external presentation or documentation applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.